the pitch there was, I could tell was off.
Yeah, I'd rather you be sharp than flat, but I'd rather you be on key like you did 2 ago.
Me too, yeah.
One more time. You know it's not the same as it was. Your turn.
You know it's not the same as it was.
That same was flat. Let's try to do it again.
Same as it was. Is that on?
Hear me? Same. That's
same as it was.
Hear me? Same as it was. Smile.
Same as it was.
That's it, Taylor. Don't slide to same. You're going same as it was. I'm jumping.
Yeah.
Same as it was. And Taylor, that's what.
Same. I think I'm not breathing properly is why I'm doing that. Yeah. I'm not.
Taylor, that's why I've given you the jumping scales. 1, 3, 1, 5. We're doing the same jumps there. They're the same jumps.
Yeah. 100%.
So same thing. So practice that because that's the part that we've got to get down.
Gotcha.
Let's just do it a couple more times. You know it's not the same as it was.
You know it's not the same as it was. Same as it.
I was happy with that. I was happy with that. Yeah, you just need a little bit more smile on was, but the rest of that was good. Just do that again for me.
You know it's not the same as it was.
That was okay. Again, it slid to same. Yeah. You know it's not the same as it was.
You know it's not the same as it was.
That's better. Good, do it again.
You know it's not the same as it was.
All right, Taylor, from the top.